Hello everyone, myself Sai Kumar. I am .NET trainer at Quality Thought. I have around 14 years of experience into .NET. So today we are going to discuss how it has changed a lot from 2000 till 2025. Especially we are mainly focusing on the .NET with AI. So we need to mainly focus because if you see from day one till today, AI has got so much of impact, like it is changing a lot. So now we will see how students, how they can build career with AI, with ML. So even in .NET also we have what AI. So it is a major impact, like we can develop different types of applications. So here we have different ways, like we can have OpenAI, Azure, ML. So we are going to implement these technologies into our development, and a student can have good career in future, and they can implement different applications. Coming to career development using .NET, they need to mainly focus on C#, where it is a wonderful feature. Instead of going for .NET Core, MVC also, it is a major part for web development full stack. But in case if they are going for AI or ML, they need to focus mainly with C# with ML. So there are NuGet Package Manager, where wonderful tools we have. We can explore ML tools, machine learning tools. We can implement different types of implementation. It is used to recognition of different technologies to our web development as well as application development. So in AML, we use .NET ML as a tool, where we are going to get from NuGet Package Manager itself under Visual Studio tool only. The tool which we are going to learn is Visual Studio. Under that only we are going to have these all tools. Okay. So in case if you are a fresher, it is a wonderful opportunity. So as a fresher, you can start a bright future we have, because everything when we start about .NET is a purely Microsoft technology. So much of impact in future, like it is going to have so many places we will be using it, because as long as Microsoft technologies are there, we will be depending on Microsoft only. So Microsoft has got, even there are so many generative AIs now, chatbots which we have generated. So Copilot is one thing among them. In the meanwhile, a student or a working employee, those who want to build their career, so if they are already having an experience into IT, they can easily switch .NET AML so that they can go with AI. If they are a fresher, they can go with the full stack .NET, where it is a wonderful future for them to settle down as a full stack developer. So where they need to know about all the technologies like C# with ASP, MVC Core. Apart from this, if they are going for AML, especially they need to focus with console applications, especially under Visual Studio, which we are going to develop. And apart from that, they need to focus with ML, so AI, artificial intelligence things under Visual Studio. Coming to salary packages, for a fresher, they have beginning from 3 LPA for a full stack developer we have. And if they have wonderful experience for a 3+, 4+, those who have on full stack development only, they are getting up to 25-30 lakhs packages. In case if you are AML, there are so many good packages when compared to full stack. So if you see beginning package is only about 6 LPA as a fresher. So if they go beyond that, they have wonderful 50-60 lakhs packages on advanced tools. Okay. See, in 2025, why we need to go for .NET when you have other technologies evolving is like mainly today generation is all about AI ML only. So what even .NET has done is, knowing these all things with including AML, they have introduced AML under .NET. So that a student or a professional should not move out of .NET, because as we all know that Java we know, Python we know, but most people don't know about .NET. So today what we are going to know is like about .NET, because if you search about .NET is a wonderful tool along with other programming languages, and it has got so many benefits. User friendly, it is easy to develop when compared to other technologies and languages. Only thing is that we need to know about them. Once if you know, it is a wonderful tool where we can explore so many things. We have a demo session to know about .NET in detail, and to get more knowledge about .NET, not only .NET, apart from .NET AI with ML also. To know more about .NET and AML, you can attend a live demo session. You can contact below contact number for more details. Thank you.